Hello darlings, it's Dion Dean. I am back in the Habitat Broward. I know my hair looks crazy. Back in the Habitat Broward or ReStore, something like that, because we are actually moving. The Deans are moving out from my parents, and you guys know that I have highbrow taste, but I'm paying off debt, paying off my student loans and everything else, and then we're going to be paying rent, and so I want to keep my costs down low, but I still want the good, so I'm back in the real. Child, I'm thinking about purses and shoes. I'm back in the ReStore. A lot of the stuff is still the same, but they do have a few tables that I'm looking at. So I just wanted to bring you guys with me. So let's shop. So, okay, so my whole like kitchen area is very modern in this apartment, and so I want like all white, and so this I am living for. Sorry, the price is like upside down. So this is $199.25. Oh, so it's $159.99, and by March it'll be $127.99. I love this whole white top, and then let's see. Oh, I love that. I love the legs. But then they also have this one. They have like 4 or 5 that I'm looking at. But I like this as well. This one is $299.99, which I don't want to spend. And it's a little long. You know what? I should have brought measuring tape. That's what my husband is for. Because he's really gonna ask me like, how long was it? I really like this table though. And look at this chair. The chairs are a little mucky, but I'm sure they could be like dusted off, wiped off, or whatever. And I'm sure this is not the one that goes with it. Let's see. Here's a chair. Oh, that's a nice chair. I'm really not wanting white chairs though. So I don't know. Well, here's a view from the other side. And let me show you this other table. I don't like wood. That reminds me of my parents' house. I swear my parents have had the same table for the last like 50 years. Not really. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so this is really nice, but it's glass. So this right now is $96. This would be a nice desk. That would have been a nice desk for my office. So here is the other table. This one is more in my price range. Isn't that cool down there? Needs a little work, but I mean, who's really looking down there except for me? So this one is $99.99, white acrylic table with a white and gray base as is. So this is $99.99, and I believe this one over here, $149. You know what? I have this chair in my way. Let's move it. Get out of my way. Get out of my way, chair. Get out of my way. Okay, it's not gonna move. Let me pull it out. Sorry. I'm not gonna edit it out because this is really what I do. Just move around. Okay. So I think this is the same. How much was that one? That one had like 3 prices. The base looks the same. This one is $199.99, which I think is really similar, right? I like that. So $199.99. I think that one came down to like $159.99. Is that what it was? We shall see, because I really want to stay at $150. But I think if you're gonna shop for this type of stuff, this is like the best. Oh, look at the edge here. Drats. Okay, so I guess it's gonna be one of these tables. $199. Okay. Alright, let's go look at headboards. Last time I was here, you guys, I had a conniption over these headboards. Oh, let me show you some of the chandeliers. I had a conniption over the headboards. You guys saw that, so let's see if I'm gonna have another conniption. Look at this. I don't need a chandelier, but oh my gosh. How beautiful is that?
We're really looking forward to putting it back together.
So gorgeous. Okay, so I don't even know why I'm looking over here. I don't need a couch or anything like that, but I mean, while you're here, why not? Fatten your eye, darling. This is nice. Our room is really big, our bedroom, but we already have something. We already have a dresser, so $500. You know what? Oh, it has the stats here. Hold on. Is this beige? I don't know what that says. Beige 9 drawer. Oh, see that price? $37.95, and for a member, I guess $28.46, and their price is $499. okay, let me get my life right, because I'm looking at $4.99. Like, that's a lot of money. But I guess it's a bargain if you're coming down from $3,800. Okay, let's open a drawer. Let's see what's really going on in here. Let me see if it's a silent drawers. No. Fail. Let's open another one. Okay, hold on. Oh, yes, that one is a silent drawer. It has some scratches here, but I love silent drawers. Let's do that again. Yes. So they didn't have these when I was here last time. I'm thinking like an office may have closed down because there's a bunch of corporate type chairs. And these are $24.99 each. Oh, that's really cute. That's a really good deal. If you're building an office, if you have a small business and you know, building your office, you want to do it on a budget. Sofa's over there. Okay. They have these. Okay, now this one is really dirty. Okay, so don't, you know, but you can always steam this type of fabric. This one is $214 right now, and then $171. I was thinking about something like this for Riley's room, and they actually have a few here. There's one over there, and then let's go over here. I think there's 2 more actually, 3 more. There's one here, which is okay. It's, you know, they're in good condition for the most part. Let me see the legs. Have a few nicks. It just needs to be steamed. Oh, there's another one. Here's another one. I thought this would be cute for Riley's room, because she has a lot of space in her room. I like this sofa. I don't like the color, but I like the sofa. Our sofa right now has the same kind of, the same kind of thing. I love those rivets and stuff. Okay, that's not what I came for though. Oh, hold on now. Wait a minute. What do I see? These are nice. Ooh. I like that. How much are these? $25. Wait a minute. Oh, I wish I was the kind of person who could refinish furniture. Look at that. Oh, they're playing Coldplay in here. It's Kismet. It's Kismet. All right. Let's go do what we came to do, okay? Let's go look at headboards. All right, so this is the current headboard situation. Oh, what is that? What is that? I can't move anything. I need to bring my husband. Not because let me quantify that, because I know y'all gonna be like, you can move it yourself. No, I can't. I have nails and I don't want to scratch them. I'm quite bougie. Oh, what's this? What is this? Oh, what's that? I like that. Okay, so I can move this. This won't scratch my nail. Oh, but it's real heavy. Okay, so I like that. My husband was saying, and you guys that do furniture, that I need to not think about just the headboard, but the slats. I don't know what he's talking about. So, okay. I said I'll ask somebody in here. They have brass. I really want an upholstered one, which is why I was looking at this one. And they have this one too. This one is nice. It looks like a queen though. Yeah, it's a queen. I need a king. I need all my space. It's nice though. It looks like it's brand new. Queen. Okay. So I'm taking you guys along in my thinking process. So if I'm quiet, it's because I'm thinking of the space. Maybe I'll take you to see the space. Maybe that's next. Oh, this needs to be clean. It's suede. So like this stuff. Like, is something supposed to go in there? And do they have whatever it is that's supposed to go in there? Because they have, okay, so here's my thing. They have all these extra things, footboards, I'm guessing. So I'm thinking if they have the footboards, then they have the slats. The slats is the part that goes on the side, right? So if they have the headboard, ooh, this is wrapped up. Is this brand new? Oh, this might be the will of the Lord right here, because you know I like the new. You know, I'll take something that's used or consigned, but Mama loves the new. And oh, the pricing. Just in case you didn't watch my last video, that is a massive, sorry. Once again, this is how I shop. If anybody wants to shop with me, this is what it's like. I'm like, squirrel. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? I just saw how huge that was. Oh, is this that headboard? Okay, Lord. Now look at what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to squeeze myself in here. That looks like the headboard that I like, right? Just brand new. Let me get somebody to help me, because I really would squeeze myself up in here and try to look at it. Okay. Oh, but what I was saying was, I don't remember what I was saying. Pricing. That's what I was going to show you. I was going to show you pricing. So king size headboards are $99.99. King size $99.99. Queen $89.99. Full $79.99. Twin $60. So there's no way, I think, to get this quality of furniture for $99. Like, these headboards are definitely in the thousands, especially this big one here. Oh, that's definitely like a $3,000 headboard, if not more. Headboard, footboard, slats, all that kind of stuff. So for right now, I'm gonna find out about this one, and then I want to find out about this one. Let me see, can I move it? It doesn't look like it's anything. I just want to see. It's definitely upholstery, which is what I want. And I really don't know why, because Riley loves a permanent marker. Okay. Alright. So there's headboards and footboards. So I just need to find out, like, do they have the appropriate things? So I think I'm done. Right? I think I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna go and find somebody to help me, but as I said, like, you're not going to find this quality and caliber of furniture anywhere else. I definitely will be going to like American Thrift and some vintage stores, because I want my house to be or my home rather, to be very eclectic. Like, I want it to, not even eclectic, I just want it to feel like me, but I'm on a very limited budget. Because we're paying down the bills for 2018, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and find somebody to help me here, because I know nothing about headboard, footboard, slats, slates. I don't know. Anyway, love you. We never pay retail. If you're in Broward and you're looking to rehab your house, fix your house, shop for your house on a budget, this is the place to be. All right, love you. We never pay retail. Bye.